Hey guys, this is the 100th video on our YouTube channel. We didn't realize that until we were talking with Jeremy and George about like YouTube stuff, and that's when we realized that this is the 100th video. So don't rip the gate down. Woo! It's a tight entrance for a big truck. But anyways, so we're changing the video order a little bit. The video that was supposed to go today is going to go sometime later this week, and our 100th video will be with the Hales, and we're excited about that. We're happy about that. So this video was fun, and we learned a lot, and we appreciate all the support and the help, and we had fun. Like, this was a good weekend. But now we're gonna go buy chickens, so make sure you come back and watch that video, because Lacey's been wanting chickens for a long time, and we finally got the coop built. So now it's time to get a bunch of little poof balls.
Yep.
Babe, you want to be in a YouTube video? Yeah, you do. We gotta get fuel first. So we're putting fuel in the transfer tank from there, and then we're pumping it into the truck. Already put DEF and fuel in the skid steer, so another 100 bucks, and we're at 75, so another 100 bucks, and we'll be on the road. Where are we going to, babe?
Otter Creek.
Ooh, 2 hours, 2.5 hours from here. Be there soon. Let's get to work. Alright guys, I'm gonna go up front and cut some trail real quick along the front property line, and Lacey probably should go ask if you can use the gator so you don't have to walk. So one cool thing I was worried about was how much DEF I was gonna use. I just filled it up. It took $4 to fill up at Buc-ee's, but the cool thing is that tank of DEF is gonna last. It lasts me almost 100 hours. Like, we're gonna hit 100 hours on this project. Actually, in a little over half an hour. I like it. There's a little bit of all types of Florida land here, and in an emergency, and if you had a chainsaw, you could make a real nice runway for a bush plane over here if you wanted to cut the power lines down. All right. So, just like always, I'm not going to put you outside until I'm comfortable putting the camera out there. So you're just going to have to ride along in here with me. Is this clear enough today? Is it clean? It's not even pointing in the right direction anymore. All right, we'll leave you like that. They did try to like clean up garbage, metal and stuff, but it's never perfect. So we'll push everything inland because I don't really want it to land on the neighbor's stuff and cause an issue. The trail, and then we can come back and make it pretty later. thinking, yep, working those bush hogs to death out here. Those poor machines. They did it though. They made 1.6 miles of trail. This is thick stuff. The vines stuff is real hard to get through with the cutter, like the brush hog. It's too much effort. This is just so much easier just to bring a mulcher in. Look at that. I'll even pick the head up so you can see that trail better. Look at that trail. I mean, obviously you got to clear the sides, but that looks pretty good, doesn't it?
What happened?
I found a metal wheel before. I found it before I hit it to the mulcher.
Nice.
Yeah, they start in circles,
Yeah.
and then we process them into fun shapes.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is, you should be careful where you're walking, man, because snakes, and apparently there's a collared panther on this property, collared Florida panther.
Yeah.
So
I'm gonna go back and
yeah,
see them.
just in my, like, if I was a panther, I would eat you. I'd take you back to my den. Do they have dens? Yeah.
Lacey said we can go check out this first trail. Yeah, you, Lacey, you said we could go check out this first trail.
Yeah.
All right. Now we also have to stay, Lacey, it's 100 feet behind the machine, right?
Yep.
Because it can take full trees and kick them back at us, and it ain't a splinter in the eye, it's a log.
Yeah.
Remember Jesus talked about, hey, don't complain about the splinter when you got a log?
Yeah.
Well, let's go see, oh my goodness. This used to be a pig pen. Wow. Oh, he went around, round town. Oh my goodness, it smells so good.
It does smell really good.
Oh, wow.
I love the smell of fresh cut wood.
I can't believe this. All the beer bottles. I didn't know I owned all these beer bottles. My goodness, did you see all that, George? Are you kidding? Look, right there. The whole trail of beer bottles. It goes all the way back so you don't get lost.
Yeah. They wanted to
trail.
find their way back.
Yeah, that's how you find your way back is with the random beer bottles.
Floridian thing? Is that a Floridian thing?
Yeah, that's definitely. Looks like he took a stump out here. Holy cow, this is awesome. Oh my goodness, we can finally see the front of our property. Look how clear it is.
Does that mean I'm going to have to give you a mulcher for
Baby,
Yeah.
hold on, we're gonna jump it. We're gonna jump it. Where'd he go?
That was probably a hog wallow that we just went in.
Yeah. You're gonna keep going. This is gonna be a touch up.
That's a touch up later?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a touch up. Do you think he went this way? He went this way. This is like a choose your own adventure book.
It's like a maze. Yeah,
Oh my
backyard.
goodness, this is so cool. Wow. Look at, we have all these ferns, we had no idea. Magnolia trees over there.
Our neighbor wants some ferns.
Yeah, our neighbors do want some ferns. Holy cow, this area of the property is beautiful. We've never seen it before. This is,
They're all seeing it first with us.
yeah.
Oh, there's some survey markers right there. that-
See from our survey?
Yeah.
Wow. Man, look at all the woods up here, George. There's so much room for activities.
Yep.
I think we might find some bamboo. Oh my goodness, look at that palm. Look at that palm. I hear him.
There he is. So
I
he's
hear him.
coming this way.
I see the light and I just saw an entire tree fall down. Look, it's sucking up the entire tree. It's like slurping like you slurp spaghetti. Like,
Waiting in the style with
wow. I don't think we're allowed to get any closer, are we?
No, he's facing this way, so he probably
okay.
shouldn't.
We gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here.
Yeah.
He's coming right back through. He's gonna touch this all up.
Yeah.
So there's I don't know what the plans are on the property. If you guys, you know, George needs a side-by-side, I think.
Who, me?
Yeah, yeah. And then you guys can race.
I actually, when we came out here, I wanted to get
wanna get his and
four-wheelers.
hers.
Yeah.
His and hers, and she's like, no, I don't want to drive. But I want to race.
Yeah.
I want to race.
Well,
You got one, right?
I do. Yeah. I don't think
We're
wanna
racing.
My Honda will walk.
Yeah, well, this is a diesel.
Yeah.
The diesels are
I'll
very,
trade
very
you.
slow. Very powerful, but very slow.
The train?
I like the diesel. But there's passing opportunities. So, like I thought of you.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Always trying
I
to
mean,
Because
if
you're
I'm
going to go
sitting-
trying
fast.
to
You're going to
pass
go
me up.
fast, so you're going to have to be on the outside. But I feel like she's going to be a little more sneaky.
Yeah, she's aggressive.
Cut on the inside.
She's Arabic. Extremely aggressive.
I can't believe extra wide opening, so you can come ripping through.
I love it.
Hit the gator! Don't hit the gator! Don't hit the gator!
You're up.
I don't know if I should. Alright, what do I need to know?
Have you ran equipment before?
Yes.
Okay.
You mean, have I broke equipment before?
That's running. It's
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
I agree. Dave,
Probably
anything
should
else?
put that in your back pocket. I might break that. Okay. All right. Back up.
It needs to be down.
Full throttle. When the head bogs down like that, you can just slow your track speed down, and it'll recover.
Gotcha.
Yeah. What do you guys think? Did Jeremy do good for his first time? I think he did okay. We're gonna obviously go back and make it pretty, but it's all these palmettos that are buried like this that were left over from the bushwhack. So. Let her rip, tater chip.
We're ready to go.
Well, what are they here for?
We're here for
we go.
support.
She's
and
my
we're the
filmer.
cheerleaders.
I'm going the wrong way, guys. Wrong way. Okay, we're in
Doing it
reverse.
backwards like Jeremiah?
Yeah, that's what he just taught.
Ride the
Jeremiah just
trail
taught
backwards.
me. Do it backwards. You want us to see it in life?
Reverse.
Do it backwards. Here we go. Here we go on the trail. Oh man, spinning blades. Oh, duck! Branch! Oh, that's so much better. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. We put this trail in specifically to go through this down tree. Done! Didn't you guys have a crazy video? You guys had a crazy video about snakes when mulching, right? Did you ever find a snake with an egg inside of it?
No.
Never? Never once?
No.
Yeah.
Here, you want the egg at
It's
least?
like $4 right now.
That's a premium egg. That has snake saliva on
Look,
it.
it's snake spit.
Yeah, that is.
Yeah.
That is
Yeah.
snake spit.
That's
It's like crazy
disgusting.
snake spit.
Ah!
You gotta wipe it on something, right?
How about his face?
We tried to shove it right back in his mouth.
You didn't want it.
Well, that's cool.
Another trail done, right, Jeremiah?
This one's a good one.
All right, here we go. He says this is the best one yet. We're in a thunderstorm. Ah, tree! Tree, 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 tree. We're in a thunderstorm right now. It's raining like crazy. Tree, 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 tree. All right. All right, which way do I go? Which way do I go?
Straight?
Straight?
Straight.
Oh, man. That is a good one. I like that. Now where? Now where? Now where?
Left.
Left! Go left! Bear left! Bear left! Lacey, are you alive?
Okay, hold on.
Oh my goodness, look at this trail! I can't believe that. I've never seen this part of the property before. Never seen this part of the property. Oh wow. This is exciting for me. Rainstorm.
Careful.
Oh
Careful.
man, oh man. Oh man,
Yeah.
that was cool. That was cool. We're gonna jump that on the way back. And this is that trail George and I started 3 years ago, isn't it?
Look at this ditch over here.
Yeah, there's a huge branch. George and I actually started this trail. I was telling Jeremiah we just didn't have the equipment, but you did, didn't you?
Well, we appreciate you calling us.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons